How to download Instagram Reels video. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to copy the link of the Reel video that you want to download. So let's go ahead and do that. So for example, once you're here, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and from the given menu, just click on copy link. Once the link has been copied, you need to go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for Instagram Reels downloader. As you can see, there's a lot of websites here, but they basically all do the same job and work the same way. So what you need to do is you need to click on any one of them and then paste the Reels video link that you have copied, then click on download. And once your video is ready, just click on download video and your video will be downloaded to your phone. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download Instagram Reels videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.